morning, friends, and welcome to preschool. Here we are. We're going to get started for the day. So glad you could join me today. We're looking at our calendar. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and pull over. It's the 7th day of May. Yay. And let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Sing it with me.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Ready?
Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Let me hear you clapping.
Days of the week.
Keep going.
Days of the week.
It's going to be your turn. Here we go.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
Nice and
There's
loud.
Tuesday and there's Wednesday.
I want to be able to
There's
hear
Thursday
ya.
and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. Clap those hands.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, and we said today is the 7th. Let's figure out what day of the week it is. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. It is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Let's take a look at our pattern. It is pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. What's going to be next? Yes, it's going to be pink. Let me grab that pink flower. Let's stick it right here. Perfect. All right. Look at that. We have one more day of preschool. And then next week it's somebody's birthday. I wonder whose birthday it is. Who do we say? It's Lucas. Cool. All right. Let's take a look at the weather. We said it was going to be sunny with some clouds, and that's right. For right now, it was quite rainy yesterday on and off. Very gloomy. I hope you spent some time inside relaxing, maybe playing some games. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Is it going to be sunny, sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? It's too warm to be snowy. All right, I heard somebody say sunny. Let's put the sun there. That'd be a great way to end the week. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, now let's count to 15. Let's get up and get moving while we count. Are you ready? Why don't we hop and count at the same time? Every time we hop, we count. Are you ready? Standing up. Come on, you can do it. All right, let's really challenge ourselves and let's try to do 2 feet together jump. It's hard. So keep those 2 feet locked together and you're jumping at the same time with both feet. Here we go. And we hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's try 1 foot. Can you balance? It's hard to balance. Let's see if we can jump 5 times on 1 foot. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's find some shapes. Can you find the octagon? Where is the octagon on the screen? Do you see it? What color is that octagon? It's gray. Now sitting right next to the octagon is the star. Where is it? Here it is. And what color is it? Yellow. Now right below the star is the shape what? What shape is this right below? A square. And what color is the square? It is purple. Great job, friends. All right. Now I'm looking for some colors. Where's something that is gray? Yep, you found them. There are those elephants. How about blue? Yes, there's Sadness. She looks so sad. All right, we're going to go on to our nursery rhyme. All right, remember yesterday we sang This Old Man, and we tapped the top of our legs, and then we put our hands together and opened them up to give the dog a bone, and then we used our arms to make it the man rolling home. So let's do that today. Try that again. Are you ready to do it with me? So it's going to go, this old man, he played one, show me one. He played knick-knack on my thumb, show me your thumb. Now we're going to tap our legs with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone and hand out a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two, show me two. He played knick-knack on my shoe, point to that shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my high. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Woohoo! Great job, friends. All right, it is time to work on our letter. We've already done L, F, E, H, T, I, U, and C, and we are working on the letter O. How many magic C's do I need to make the letter O? I need 2 of them. And O says for ostrich, octagon, and octopus. Excellent. Let's go ahead and we're going to sing where we start our letters. Who knows where we start them? At the top.
Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Is this the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up at the top. This is the top.
Reach out and touch the top.
Reach down. Way down is at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go.
Top, bottom.
Shake it.
In the middle.
Top,
Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to starting at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. All right. Let's go ahead and make that letter O. So we have our first magic C. We put it on our mat. So we've made the letter C, but that's not our letter this week. We're making O. We put our other magic C. And now we're going to sing our song. Are you ready? Let's put our fingers at the top. We have our two magic C's together. Put our fingers at the top and we sing. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. What letter did we make? O, that's right. Let's make it one more time. Ready? Now remember, you don't start moving your finger until we say. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top. Now you start moving. Go this way now. Tells us to start moving our finger. Are you ready? Here we go. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Excellent. All right, friends, I hope you have a great day today. And I am missing you so much, but I like how hard you're working by joining us every day for Circle Time and Story. And I hope you did a little bit of music this week. I'll see you soon, or talk to you soon, I should say. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. Big hugs. Ugh.